Are we recording? So I thought I would show you how to create a GitHub corner in your app. You know, when you often visit these GitHub repositories and in their URL they have a tiny corner at the top on which if you click it takes you to the source code. I thought I would show you how to make that in both React and Angular. So as you can see, here's my React workspace. I have one project here where I've used it. So here, if I go into components and GitHub Corner, I can see this is the code for the GitHub Corner. Where did I get it? Certainly didn't make it myself. So if you go here, Google for GitHub Corners, not Cornerstone. Jesus. Sorry if I'm too loud. GitHub Corners. Is this it? Yep, this is it. So you see these are the GitHub corners which you usually find in the app. I picked the first one, simply copied from here and pasted it in a simple component called GitHub Corner. All I did was I'm taking the URL, the fill color and the color as my input variables to the component, so that whenever I want I can change the URL of the component and I can change the color and the fill color. So if I change the whatever URL I put, I click on it, it will take me to that particular repository, and the color is this black color and the fill color is the white color. So depending upon that, whatever you want you can put. So by default I have kept the fill color as the GitHub fill color and the color of the GitHub AutoCAD as white. And you can see I'm binding the href here and the styles of fill and color here, and there are some CSS which was also here only, it's there. So I simply copied the CSS and I just pasted them here. That's it, and my GitHub corner is ready. So if we go into app, you will see that I've used my GitHub corner. I've kept the URL as the repository of wherever I have put this project, and the colors would be the default colors. So this is React. So as you can see the example, this is what I have achieved. See, just like it was shown. If you click on it, the repository of it will open in a new tab. Anyway, now let's check out the Angular part, how you make it in Angular. Close workspace, open workspace. Now you remember what we did. We simply copied it and we put some input parameters. So the same I did here basically. See, if you go here in app, GitHub Corner, check the TypeScript file, see, these are my input parameters: URL, fill, color, and they all have a uh, default value. If you don't put anything, this will be the default value, but if you do, these default values would be replaced. Same color, same URL I have used, and here I have bound the href to the URL, the styles as you saw in the React one, and the CSS just the same. And how I've used it, probably in the app nav bar. All right, if I go into the nav bar, see, app GitHub Corner, I've put the URL, and that's it for today. Hopefully you have learned a small tiny thing, and thank you.